exploring real-world applications of ChatGPT. The many applications of ChatGPT, a versatile tool for diverse industries and fields. Welcome back, everyone. We've already explored some of the amazing things that ChatGPT can do, such as solving math problems, playing games, and answering trivia questions. But ChatGPT's potential goes far beyond that. How else can you use this technology in the real world or your job? Let's dive deeper and discuss the OpenAI APIs or application programming interfaces. The OpenAI APIs offer a powerful way to integrate AI capabilities into your website or application, not just limited to ChatGPT chat services like DALL-E that we explored earlier for image generation. By using these APIs, you can unlock the full potential of AI for your business or project. If you scroll down on the OpenAI API page, you will find detailed documentation and resources to get started, including code examples and guides to help you build your own AI-powered applications. The OpenAI APIs have been used to create popular applications such as GitHub's Copilot, a tool that helps developers write code, and Duolingo, an application for language translation. While ChatGPT is impressive on its own, the true power of this generative AI can be harnessed through these APIs. These APIs provide a robust platform for creating powerful AI applications, and the possibilities are endless. Let's dive into some specific use cases where you can apply these APIs. One example is customer service chatbots. While chatbots have been around for years, there is still a lot of room for improvement in their performance. ChatGPT can be used as a chatbot, but you can also customize it to fit your specific use case. With its ability to generate human-like responses, you can create your own super smart chatbot that meets the unique needs of your business or project. Another potential use case is virtual writing assistants. You can integrate this functionality into your website to provide customers with writing assistance, or you can use it directly in the browser. For instance, if you're on the job hunt, you could get help creating a resume or cover letter by providing information about the job you're applying for, your relevant experience, and the company you're interested in working for. ChatGPT's language generation capabilities can help you craft compelling and effective job application materials. Once you provide the necessary information, ChatGPT can generate a boilerplate letter that you can then customize to fit your specific needs. This can be an excellent starting point for crafting compelling job application materials that help you stand out from other candidates. Language translation is another popular use case where ChatGPT can be extremely useful. Whether you need to translate a phrase, a paragraph, or an entire story, ChatGPT's advanced natural language processing capabilities can help you do it accurately. For instance, you could use ChatGPT to help you order momos and black coffee in French. In addition to translation, ChatGPT can also be used to generate creative content such as stories, poems, and songs. For example, you could use it to write a limerick about learning how to coding in C++. With ChatGPT's ability to generate human-like responses, the possibilities for creative content are endless. And there you have it, a poem about Ted's journey of learning to code, generated by ChatGPT. As you can see, ChatGPT can be a powerful tool for generating creative content quickly and easily. With its ability to generate human-like responses, the possibilities for creative projects are endless. Boosting data analysis efficiency, ChatGPT use cases for data practitioners. We've discussed some broad applications of ChatGPT and generative AI, but let's dive into some specific use cases for those who work with data in their daily jobs. First up is automation. This term can have a variety of meanings depending on your job, but there are some straightforward applications that come to mind for me. Automation can include tasks like creating formulas or ensuring exact syntax in your code. For instance, in Microsoft Excel, I might remember how to use the VLOOKUP function, but not its syntax. In that case, I could ask ChatGPT to generate an Excel formula that looks up values in column A to match values in column B. With ChatGPT's help, I would receive the VLOOKUP function along with an explanation of how it works and what parameters to use. Data practitioners can also leverage ChatGPT for content creation. For instance, if you're a data analyst or a researcher, you could use it to write summaries of data or research findings. You could input data points and then ask ChatGPT to help summarize the results for a report or presentation. This could save you a significant amount of time and help you create more accurate summaries. We've seen some of this already with the blog posts and such, but in day-to-day life, maybe it's something like an email. So write an email to my boss that asked for feedback on a deck I created. The deck is just a draft and was created based on notes from last week's meeting. Use a relaxed tone and include a joke. Let's take a look at the email that ChatGPT generated for us. We have a subject line that clearly states our purpose of seeking feedback on the deck, and the email itself has a relaxed tone with a touch of humor. It mentions that the deck is just a draft and was created based on notes from last week's meeting and asks for constructive feedback. Of course, you would want to customize it to match your own writing style and tone, but this can definitely serve as a helpful starting point if you struggle with writing emails. Another powerful way to utilize generative AI is for coding. Let's revisit an example we used earlier. We can have ChatGPT regenerate a sample dataset for us and then ask it to write a Python script to analyze the data, remove any outliers, and then visualize the sales price using a histogram. This can save you a lot of time and effort if you're working with large datasets and want to automate the process. Great, here's the output for your Python script. As you can see, it removes the outliers and generates a histogram of the sales prices. You can further customize the script based on your specific needs and preferences. With ChatGPT, you can streamline your data analysis process and save time and effort. We just saw an example of using ChatGPT to generate a Python script, but you could also use it to write SQL statements. For instance, let's say you need to extract some data from a database. You could provide ChatGPT with information about what you're looking for, and it could generate the SQL statement for you. Here's an example. Write an SQL statement that retrieves all customer data for the past month, sorted by the amount spent in descending order. Let's explore the fourth use case, which is around optimizing your daily workflows. This could vary based on your job, but let's say you're trying to understand someone else's code or trying to refactor it to improve it. With the help of ChatGPT, you can ask for explanations of code or even ask for suggestions on how to refactor it to make it more efficient. For example, you could ask, "Can you explain how this function works?" and get a detailed breakdown of the code logic. Or you could ask, "Can you suggest ways to optimize this code for performance?" and get ideas on how to make the code more efficient. Ultimately, ChatGPT can help save you time and effort in your day-to-day work by providing helpful insights and suggestions. Here's the refactored Python script with added code comments. The code now uses more descriptive variable names, removes unnecessary code blocks, and uses list comprehension to shorten the code. It's now easier to read and understand the logic behind it. With ChatGPT, you can quickly improve your code and make it more efficient. You can ask what are two popular technologies for exploratory data analysis. Tell me the pros and cons and give me examples of how I can use them, and you can view the response from ChatGPT below. To summarize, while ChatGPT can certainly be used for fun and less consequential things, it also has real-world applications in technology jobs. Whether you're writing code or automating tedious processes, ChatGPT can help you get started or validate your ideas. From generating sample datasets in Python scripts to refining SQL statements and refactoring code, the possibilities are endless. So don't hesitate to leverage this powerful tool for both personal and professional purposes. Now that you've seen some examples of how ChatGPT can be used, the next step is to try it out for yourself. Don't be afraid to experiment with different prompts and see what kind of responses you get. You might be surprised at how helpful it can be. Additionally, there are many resources available online to help you get started, including tutorials, forums, and documentation. So take advantage of those as well. And finally, don't hesitate to share your own experiences and use cases with others. By working together, we can all learn and benefit from this amazing tool. If you have any questions or feedback, feel free to leave them in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe and share it with others who might benefit from it. Thank you for taking the time to watch, and I wish you all the best in your ChatGPT and AI journey. Thanks again for tuning in.